It's snack time. Let's have something to eat.
Let's eat some snacks.
You did a good job of eating everything. Awesome! You all did well today. I want to give each of you a red flower. Give flowers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Give flowers to your friends. Thanks. Give flowers to your friends. Thank you. It's time to go back home. BabyBus is waiting for you at the entrance. See you, friends.
Okay.
Be careful when you go back home. See you.
Miss Minnie, goodbye.
Bye. BabyBus, let's go. We're taking all our friends back home safe and sound. Mew has arrived. Bye, BabyBus. Mew, see you tomorrow. BabyBus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. In front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. Lulu has arrived. Bye, BabyBus. Lulu, see you tomorrow. BabyBus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home. Arrived.
Bye, BabyBus.
Hank, see you tomorrow. BabyBus, let's go. We're going to take another friend back home.
Kiki has arrived.
Bye, BabyBus.
Kiki, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends. I'll come pick you up tomorrow.